We are back with Clash Royale. I have a little challenge I want to do because I want to see something. The Furnace did get a nerf recently, and I want to know, is that deterring players from playing the Furnace in their deck? So what I'm going to do is, if I see Furnace in any time in this video, the video will end instantly. So we're just going to hop in. Even if it's the first match, yeah, I'll still be ending the video. Even if it's the first play. This could go on for minutes, and this could go on for seconds. So, let's just see, Bot 69, will he have Furnace? I have this, like, very cheap deck. Okay, he has Hog Rider. Very interesting. So far he has done absolutely nothing. We have not seen Furnace yet, so therefore we might get through a whole game without Furnace. You never know. By the way, the environment definitely changed. It's very cool. Berserker down. Yeah, I don't think this guy has Furnace. I have a feeling that this guy does not have Furnace. So I guess we have to try and win as well. We should probably go on the other side, considering... Let's do this. Hope for the best. Nope. That's dead. Come on. Wow. We got some damage there. Just gonna spam just a bunch of stings. And I gotta... I should probably get... Sucks. Wait. Both of those get on tower. Okay. It's a little bit of a comeback, but I don't have faith in the fact that we will do this. Yeah, we definitely... This deck wasn't built to win. It was more of just built to stall. Until we saw Furnace. That's interesting. We did go through a whole match without seeing Furnace, so this video might be longer than you think. But let's just go back in. Let's see who we're against. Don't know how to say that. But he's been here for 8 years. He has Dagger Duchess. I don't know. Interesting. Okay, he's minor. Don't know if that means anything. That was interesting. Sorry, I have some sniffles. Fish slap. Oh, it went through still. Nice, we got one. Vines. He has vines. Which I should probably do a video of when I see vines, the video ends. It'd probably be even shorter. This one might be a very long video, you never know. Maybe the nerf has deterred people from playing Furnace. Very possible. This man. Yeah, Vine sucks. It's quite annoying. There's not much I can do but spam. Who knows, man? I'm just spamming because I can. I don't really care. Well, like I said, this deck is definitely not meant for winning. Well, I guess if I played it right, it would be, but... we're only here to see the Furnace. Not really anything else. You know what? Let's go into 2v2. I kind of want the chances here to go higher. I do have Furnace in my deck, but I'm not going to count that. Should I count my teammates' deck as well, if it has Furnace? Well, I mean, it's not in my deck, so I guess it would count. But let's see. We're going now into 2v2. If we don't see it in 2v2, that says something. That says something if it's not even in 2v2. First played is Snowball and Ice Spirit. Oh my. Ooh. That was a good snowball, but... alright, we're gonna place our Furnace. The video does not end, but... we do have our Furnace down. Our teammate doesn't have a Furnace. Opponents, we still don't technically know. Okay. I expected that. Okay, we're gonna do this. It's a good log value. This is a decent push. Look at this. On the tower. We might win this game here in general. Tesla. I don't know what that does for him. I kind of want that Tesla out of here, gang. Yeah, here we go. Let's just do this. And hope that, yeah, he's not gonna be able. Yep, that tower is down. He's not able to do anything about it. We all the secondary push. We're just gonna log this, honestly. It's kind of annoying. The fact that that didn't die to log though is also crazy. Let's go in. Wow, that did absolutely nothing. Snowball did absolutely nothing. Let's go Lumberjack in, because this is a push. We didn't need to push. I forgot we're a whole tower up. I guess this is a normal video because we have not seen Furnace. Even in 2v2, which is insane to think about. Is that nerf really enough for the player base? Or is it just by chance that I'm not seeing Furnace right now? I don't know, man. Well, I mean, let's go into another 2v2. The chances should be higher in 2v2, right? Obviously, there's more cards in play. Alright, HP 16, Lulu is on, and the person on my team is Kowalski. Okay, they have Furnace. Very interesting. Wow, they have 2 Teslas to get through. Wow, ooh. All of that not to have the thing on towers. Crazy work. Okay, I missed the tower. Sucks. I'm horrible at the game. That should. See, they're spending so much elixirs. Like, how are they able to do this? Because some damage to get on tower. Makes sense. Now. Lumberjack got on tower. That's bad for them. Not really anything I should log necessarily, so I'm just gonna do all of this. I'm definitely gonna do Evo first behind that golem. That's gonna be a nice push for us. So is Ice Wizard though. Yep, I expected this. Let's get Ice Wizard down. Wow, they rocketed the Furnace. That's how bad they wanted it out. There's Lumberjack. Oh, I was hoping that was a unit. Vines is still very good. I'm gonna be real with that. I will say Vines is looking really OP still, because that was just, it just stopped everything. It's just a cheaper freeze. It's so insane. It's so good. Double Tesla is destroying us, I'm not gonna lie. It's really hard to break through. Wow, that... It didn't jump because of what? Something get on tower. Hog Rider? No, because it has vines. My word. How much do they have? They have infinite elixir, gang. We still won. Give Mom a kiss. I think that's the end of the video, honestly. Maybe one more? See if we can find Furnace. If not, it's okay. If our opponent has Furnace, we're ending. How about this? If I don't see Furnace from our opponent, I'll place my own Furnace and that'll be the end. Even though I've already placed it like 5 times. It's my videos. Deal with it. That was a pretty decent defense. Alright, snowball this back. I was hoping for an extra shot there. That was a nice log from us. Have to lumberjack that down. Lumberjack on tower. That's some nice damage from the lumberjack over there. Look at him go. That was decent damage. Can you deal with that? You tried. Wizard's really annoying, so don't blame you. Bats onto this. Do this. Cool. Let's go win with this. Should be a nice. Why is it not spawning all the way over? We're actually gonna do Hog Rider here. Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's damage. 2 hits. Lumberjack in the back. I don't like any of that. It reached that Yard Goblin nice. That sucks. Yeah, we're gonna deal with this as well because we don't want that damaging tower. Ooh, it almost did. Oh, come on, man. I guess we can kind of spell cycle him. This guy's gonna need a lock in on. Yes. Nice. Oh my. Furnace didn't do anything. Furnace didn't do anything. The Furnace, no wonder nobody has the Furnace. It didn't do anything, and that'll be a GG. We saw the Furnace technically because I just played it. Hope you have a good day.